I wake up just before 9 a.m. I know this is late to a lot of people, but if I wake up any earlier, my brain is turned to mush. Today, I have a few random things on the schedule, and I have a half day at work. I'll be working from home today, which I've been doing for a few years now, and I still love the convenience of it. This is a day in my life with the iPhone 13 Pro. I start work at 9 a.m. and yes, I know, I wake up 15 minutes before my shift. Today, for work, I have a lot of reconciliation to do and data gathering to wrap up a major project I had this week. In between working, I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro to catch up on the latest news by scrolling through Twitter, social media, and news websites. This is a part of my morning routine to just get a sense of what's really happening in the world. Today is also a really huge day for me as I'm launching a website for a side business that I have. So I'm going to be using the iPhone 13 Pro to test the website and get a real life feel for the user experience on iPhones. Later today, Apple is going to be releasing the Apple Watch Series 7 and I really want to get it so I can do an unboxing video on it. But unfortunately, I'm not seeing anything. Okay, so it's been roughly 1 hour since plugging out the iPhone 13 Pro, and I think the first hour is usually when I and probably a lot of people use the phone to check social media, check emails, respond to any texts that they missed, or just find out what's going on in the world. So that's what I've been doing, just browsing the web, doing a lot on the phone so far for an hour. And it's 9:58 a.m. and it's at around 93%, so 7% of use after using it for an hour. Definitely not heavy use, just scrolling and whatnot. But I have a few things planned today that I gotta do and handle, and some big things happening today, including my website launch. I'm getting a little bit hungry. Time to check out the camera. I'm getting some nice leftover pizza. Yo, let's test out the macro lens here. Oh, wow. I don't know if I should go this close to my food, but this is the regular lens, and of course the wide angle lens. The way I get my pizza is different sometimes. We got green peppers, some chicken, and and chili flakes and stuff on top. Oh, and there's a little bit of mushrooms there. Got my lunch, got some oranges, testing out the video and the camera with some of these tangerines. This is the video mode right now. We're in 0.5 times zoom, going to 1 time zoom. And this is the 3 times zoom if you want to get this close to an orange. Don't know who would. Before I go, it's time to change my clothes. That's better. I figure since I'm going to check out the Apple store for the Apple Watch in person, I might as well make a little quick pit stop to check out the camera. This is the Marilyn Monroe Towers. I don't think that's the official name, but they get it from its curvaceous look and architecture. Let's see how well the 13 Pro can capture the beauty of the building. I'm pretty impressed with the camera, and that 3 times zoom though, it's really impressive. The lens allows you to really punch into subjects and capture things from far away. But I mean, be cool with this zoom lens, don't be a creeper, please. Okay, so I just took some photos of the Marilyn Monroe Towers. I think that's what they call them, it's not the official name. But I'm gonna head over to the mall right across the street so I can buy the Apple Watch Series 7 to do an unboxing today. It's right across the street. Hopefully they have it. I didn't see it on stock online, but I'm gonna go and check it out. This is a test of the front-facing camera. Let's go to the mall. Okay, so the time is now 2:50. I was lucky enough to pick up an Apple Watch Series 7 at the Apple Store. So this is gonna take up about an hour of my time, but I'm gonna be using the 13 Pro throughout it and checking notes and all that stuff. So let's go and start filming. Switching to the iPhone 13. I used the iPhone 13 Pro zoom camera to add a new angle to my footage. I always wanted to buy a second camera to get another angle when shooting these top-down shots, but I think that the iPhone 13 Pro does a great job that I don't need to spend extra money on it. It looks really good and a lot of people probably couldn't tell. Go watch that video and let me know if you noticed the difference in quality between a Pro camera and the iPhone 13. I am really digging this watch. Now that the day is almost done, I put some work in editing the video as I want to get it out as soon as possible. I'm meeting up with my girlfriend later to do more testing of the 13 Pro camera for the full review and take some cool photos like this one. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a final update on the iPhone 13 Pro and my day with it. Over the last hour and a half, I've been using the iPhone 13 to capture B-roll footage of the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 7 that I literally just purchased. I wasn't planning to purchase it today. It just kind of was available, so I had to quickly grab it, and it changed my plans for today, and it changed the video as well. But as I mentioned, I was literally using this with the 3x telephoto lens to get some extra B-cam footage, and it looks so good. It's hard to tell that it was not shot on a Pro camera. And that was the point of this video, just giving you guys some background of the day, how I use it, how the camera looks, and how the battery works. Speaking of battery, it is at 26%, and I'd say I got probably 7 hours of screen on time. Like I said, I was killing it. I used it to take photos. I was just using it a lot today, so I'm pretty surprised that this thing is still chugging along. I'm probably gonna have to charge it, and it definitely did not last as long as my regular iPhone 13, but in that video, I wasn't using it for the same things as I was for this one. So I'm blown away by the battery life. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm starving. I got so much more for the day, but I'm gonna wrap it up here. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. I do a lot of these kind of videos, so if you like it, thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.